Today we will discuss indefinite articles that are a and an. A or an before a noun shows that what is referred to is not already known to the speaker, listener, writer, and reader. For example, do you have a car? I live in an apartment. Before a vowel sound, we use an. Otherwise, we use a. A plus consonant sound, a banana, a chicken. An plus vowel sound, an orange, an egg. In most cases, the letters E, O, and U are pronounced as vowels, but sometimes they are pronounced as consonants. For example, sending young people to prison is an enormous mistake. All applicants must possess a university degree. When the next word begins with the letter H, we use a if H is pronounced and an if H is silent. For example, it takes me about an hour to get to work. He had never been in a hospital before. We use an before abbreviation or letter beginning with a vowel sound, and a before an abbreviation or letter beginning with a consonant sound. The letters which begin with a vowel sound are A, E, F, H, I, R, M, N, O, R, S, X. All other letters begin with a consonant sound. For example, I am studying for an MA degree. I always use an HB pencil. We use an before a number beginning with a vowel sound and a before a number beginning with a consonant sound. For example, after the wedding, there was an 8-course meal. If there is an adjective or an adverb-adjective combination before the noun, a and should agree with the first sound in the adjective or adverb-adjective combinations. For example, she was an expert climber. He reached into an inside coat pocket and withdrew a small sealed envelope. We do not use a and before uncountable nouns. For example, advice, information, traffic. We use some with these nouns. It was heavily censored but conveyed some news. She heated some lima beans. In questions and negative sentences, we usually replace some with any. For example, is there any milk left? We do not have any information about medical insurance. When we need to emphasize how many, we use one, not a or an. For example, luckily, only one saucer was broken. One girl said that she liked the book. We use a or an when talking about a thing in general, not a specific thing. That is why called an indefinite article. For example, I need a phone, not a specific phone, any phone. Someone dropped a desk lid. A or an can be used like the word per. For example, apples currently cost $1.3 a pound. Cheetahs can run 60 miles an hour. Little and few are quantifiers meaning some. Little and few have negative meanings. We use them to mean not as much as may be expected or wished for. We use the article are to make them give a positive meaning. All she wanted was a few moments on her own. Within 40 minutes, her head looked a little better. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, subscribe to this channel.